Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to download and install Ubisoft Connect on PC. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to ubisoft.com, as you can see here, and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now, let's see what we have in front of us. So in the top left corner, we have the Ubisoft button, Play, Shop, Explore, and Help buttons. We have the Visit website and Shop now in the top right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and download and install Ubisoft Connect on PC. So what you need to do is go to the top right corner and click on Download Ubisoft Connect. Click on it, and then it will of course get you to the screen like this, and it will start downloading. As you can see, downloading, and in the top right corner, when it downloads, as you can see, you have it now here, Ubisoft Connect installer. You just need to go and click on it. Then you will get this here, so you have to choose your language. Then you have to go and choose, of course, if you accept and agree to the terms and the license agreement. You need to go and put where you would like it to go, of course, and install. Click install. Then it will start installing as so. And you just have to wait a second. So it's completed now, as you can see. Click next, and then click finish. And Ubisoft installer Connect is now downloaded and installed on your PC. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.